Yes, back at it. Before we get into the rest of this video, I want to announce this week's vinyl, and that is none other than Nitty Gritty. Yeah, Nitty Gritty. Most of these tracks are produced by King Jammies and was released on the VP Records label, as you can see right here. Right, that's all. Yeah, Nitty Gritty. Yes. A part of what I would like to call the Waterhouse Trio, which consists of Nitty Gritty, Tenor Saw, and the great King Kong. Him now playing a ping pong. But yeah, this one is my first purchase of any Nitty Gritty material that I have. Has big tracks in it. Hagina yo minta, anima root out you cocoa. Yeah, So, say she have a, well, on give me some of your something. That are one of my favorite tune. Give me some of your something, and me give you some of my thing. Nothing for nothing, me say something for something, man. Nothing for nothing, me say something for something. Aye. Drama mark, cause another sound dying. Whoa, hey. Yeah, man, holy tune. But anyway, we're not gonna get too deep into this, but we're gonna cover some Nitty Gritty throughout the Solid Foundation series, cause it knows that the mania is foundation, alright? Alright. Now we're gonna get back into it. Bobby Caldwell. We're still talking about Bobby Caldwell, and we're going to get into his massive smash hit. 1978 this tune was released, and it's none other than his popular but nonetheless classic single, Bobby Caldwell with What You Won't Do for Love. Ladies and gentlemen, tune in.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Some people go around the world for love, and they may never find what they dream of.
So
what
true.
You won't do to do for love.
Love is necessary, y'all.
You tried everything, but you don't give up.
What you won't do for love.
In my world, only you.
Oh, yes.
Make me do for love what I would not do.
What I would not do.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in the daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Although I only want the best, it's true. I can't believe the things I do for you.
Horn section, y'all.
What you won't do for love. You've tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world, only you. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do.
tried everything, but you don't give up. What you won't do, do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up. Love is a powerful thing, y'all. Love one another like sister and brother, like none other. And the love will carry you through. Yeah, what love won't do for you, right? Bobby Caldwell with his 1978 release, What You Won't Do for Love. And as you see, love is so powerful that even over 40 years of this song being released, it still stands the test of time, right? With love, you'll always shine. Bobby Caldwell, rest in peace. As I said before, we lost Bobby on the 14th of March of this year, 2023. But, you know, just gotta let it be. And his music will live on for eternity, okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. And we're going to continue. We're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling, right? All right. Keep the vibes locked to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Sam G. We're going to keep the ball rolling. Do for love.